Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're reviewing a game changer for all your mounting needs, the Moeey double-sided adhesive pads. This is, without a doubt, the best double-sided sticky pad that's versatile, reliable, and super durable. Whether you're mounting pictures, securing a car phone holder, or setting up LED lights, this tape has got you covered. First off, let's talk about the material. These adhesive pads are made from high-quality EVA foam, which gives them exceptional strength and durability. They offer a strong hold on a wide variety of surfaces, including wood, glass, metal, and plastic. Plus, they're waterproof, meaning you can use them both indoors and outdoors without worrying about weather conditions compromising their bond. The pack comes with 48 pre-cut rectangular pads, each measuring 5 by 3 centimeters. With their 3 mm thickness, they can handle heavier items with ease, making them ideal for more demanding tasks. These pads are incredibly easy to use. Simply clean the surface you're sticking them to, peel off the backing paper, and press firmly. The best part? They don't damage the wall or surface when you remove them, so you won't be left with any marks or residue. You can even reposition them without losing their stickiness. The versatility of these adhesive pads is one of their standout features. Whether you need to mount a picture frame, affix kitchen utensils, or even secure items in your car, these pads provide a strong, damage-free solution. And since they are made from foam, they offer a bit of cushion, ensuring your items stay secure but not crushed. Another impressive aspect is their repositionability. Unlike other tapes that lose their adhesive power after being repositioned, these double-sided pads maintain their strength, ensuring a long-lasting bond. They're perfect for both temporary and permanent applications, allowing you to make changes or adjustments without stress. So, if you're tired of dealing with messy nails, screws, or damaging your walls with traditional hooks, Moeey double-sided adhesive pads are the perfect solution. Their strong adhesive power, ease of use, and ability to remove without a trace make them an essential tool for any home, office, or car. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you've been on the lookout for a reliable, easy-to-use mounting solution, the Moeey double-sided adhesive pads should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy mounting!